I'm a supermassive black hole found in the center of almost all massive galaxies. I'm a supermassive black hole. There are theories of how I'm born. Come and join me and see. There are three types of black holes according to theory: primordial, stellar, and supermassive like me. A primordial's a tiny hypothetical black hole. In 1974, Stephen Hawking theorized its role. Primordials were formed in the early universe, but we'll learn about this more when I teach that topic's course. On to the most common type called the stellar black hole. But let's first see why a star exists before it loses control. The pressure from nuclear fuel in the core pushes outward so greatly, while the force of equal power pushing in is caused by gravity. This equal pressure does create the star's main sequence stage. This means the star is stable in its present burning age. When it starts with your sun's mass run out of nuclear fuel in its core, it becomes a red giant, then quietly becomes a white dwarf. But starts with 25 times the mass of your solar system sun. Runs out of nuclear fuel, its gravity crushes the core, and it becomes a stellar black hole. It's the most common type in the universe. After the chorus, I'll tell you how I'm created, of course. I'm a supermassive black hole found in the center of almost all massive galaxies. I'm a supermassive black hole. There are theories of how I'm born. Come and join me and see. I'm a supermassive black hole, the third type of black hole seen, believed to be found in the center of any major galaxy. A black hole's a region of space where force of gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. You've learned this in this song. How I acquired my mass is still yet to be determined, and astronomers are still working on how I'm formed. That's certain. Some think I'm formed from the collapse of massive clouds of gas during the early stages of formation of galaxies with mass. My parts start with the accretion disk orbiting around me. It's superheated gas and dust swirling around the singularity. The singularity is the very center of a black hole you see, made up of matter collapsed into a region of infinite density. The event horizon's the radius around a singularity where energy and matter cannot escape the black hole's gravity. The innermost stable orbit's the last place material orbits safely without the risk of falling past the point of no return in me. A photon sphere's a location where gravity is so strong that light can travel in circles, and orbiting the black hole are photons. I feed on stars, dust or gas, and produce jets of near light speed, blasting particles of radiation up from my poles, as you can see. These are relativistic jets, and my last part I'll talk about now. It's time to sing with me, do it loud without any doubt. I'm a supermassive black hole found in the center of almost all massive galaxies. I'm a supermassive black hole. There are theories of how I'm born. Come and join me and see.